Hello everyone, I am Amrin and I am a student at Dr. SNS Rajarashmi College of Arts and Science, currently pursuing the degree of BCom. And now I am going to tell you about what is data science and how it is used in e-commerce. What exactly is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from noisy, structured, and unstructured data and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application domains. Now let's talk about the advantages. Big data allows e-commerce businesses to understand customers better through customer behavior analysis. E-commerce companies can offer more secure payment options and detect potential frauds with the help of big data. Big data resources help shape product pricing and discounts as they provide real-time analytics. Data analytics reveal how customers interact with your website, what their preferences are, and their favorite brands. Here are a few more advantages. Faster buying process. Customer can spend less time shopping for what they want. Store and product listing creation. Cost reduction. Affordable advertising and marketing. Flexibility for customers. Product and price comparison. No reach limitations. Faster response to buyer and market demands. Now let's see the disadvantages. First, this may breach privacy of the customers as their information such as purchases, online transaction, subscription are visible to the parent companies. Second, the hardest part of data science is not building an accurate model or obtaining good clean data, but defining feasible problems and coming up with reasonable ways of measuring solutions. Few more common disadvantages are data preparation, multiple data sources, data security, understanding the business problem, effective communication with non technical stakeholders, collaboration with data engineers, misconceptions about the role, undefined KPIs and metrics. Now let's talk about data science in commerce. Data science in e-commerce helps business provide a richer understanding of the customers by capturing and integrating the information on the web behavior of the customers, the events that occurred in their lives, what led to the purchase of a product or services, or how consumers interact with different channels, etc. Now let's see where are the places that data science is used. Data science has dominated almost all the industries of the world today. There is no industry in the world today that does not use data. As such, data science has become fuel for industries. There are various industries like banking, finance, manufacturing, transport, e-commerce, education, and many more. Now let's see the big data for e-commerce. How is big data used in e-commerce? Big data allows e-commerce businesses to understand customers better through the customer behavior analysis. Big data resources enable optimization logistics, supply chain management, and operational process. Big data resources help shape product pricing and discounts as they provide real-time analytics. Now let's talk about important data for e-commerce. Behavioral targeting. This remains the single most important factor upon which the success or the failure of your e-commerce business depends. Customer personalization, customer satisfaction, dynamic pricing, and end-to-end analytics. Now let's see what is the scope of data science. Data science is referred to the process of collecting, storing, segregating, and analyzing data which serves as a valuable resource for organizations to carry out data driven decision making. It is often used by highly skilled computing professionals. There are many types of data science: machine learning scientists, statistician, actuarial scientists, mathematicians, data engineers, software programming analysts, digital analytics consultant, business analytic practitioners. Now I will tell you why a database is important to an e-commerce website. A database system helps e-commerce sites pinpoint potential customers based on compiled information. Marketing teams can use customer data that is stored within the database to create targeted lists that will be used for directing marketing efforts. What is SQL data? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL statements are used to perform tasks such as update data on a database or retrieve data from a database. Some common relational database management systems that use SQL are Oracle, Sybase, Microsoft SQL Server, Access, Ingress, and many more. Can data science be used in trading? Data science can be used to give us a unique perspective on how we understand the stock market and financial data. Certain basic principles are followed during trading, such as sell, buy, or hold. Our main goal is to make high profits. Various trading platforms are becoming increasingly popular.